Brent Faiyaz is back. Let's see what what this, hold on, what did that say? Oh. Why not? Dang, okay. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, flying private, recording, sipping champagne. The good life. Hey, it's kind of good. Hey.
If you could hear the thoughts inside my head.
Okay. Huh.
It ain't even fair.
Huh.
And take that off soon as I land.
Oh, hey, this jam,
Ain't
man.
nothing you need to wear.
Hey.
I'm in a race with time to get where I belong.
Okay.
Cause it feels so right after all these nights alone. Dreaming about touching down, I can't sleep till you touch me, baby. When can you make it feel good before I leave again?
Brent got so much money. That Tommy Richmond money right there.
All night.
His manager don't even get a bed. He got to sit. He got to sleep in a chair. he flying to her himself.
All night.
Hey, yeah. Add this to me and wifey playlist.
I'll go so far as to put myself inside my go yard if I have to. I'm in love, you in love.
I like this.
You my drug, you my plug, through the storm, through the flood, I'm a brush. I'll go so far as to put myself inside my go yard if I have to. I'm in love, you in love, I'm above. You my drug, you my plug, through the storm, through the flood, I'm a
In a
brush.
race with time to get where I belong.
Hey.
Cause it feels so right after all these nights alone.
Then he just go record some vocals real quick. See, he's still getting the work done on the private jet, on the PJ, still getting his work done.
Baby, when can you make it feel good before I leave again?
Oh.
All night.
I like this.
Far as to put myself inside my go yard if I have to. I'll go so far as to put myself inside my go yard if I have to.
Yeah. Oh, that ain't his manager. That's his engineer. Wait, what is this? So, let's listen, man. Is this old? What is this? Let's just check it out. Why not? Why not? Why not, y'all? It's Brent.
Yeah, you know I got you.
Quiet though. Yeah.
And new NYC. Okay.
Way to get through, but you've been making me feel like it's nothing I can do. I gotta to be your only. I'll make a promise to you, right hand to God. I'll go hard. I'd be the reason that you think with your heart. Yeah. If you could feel for me the way I feel for you. I could be the one for you. If you could feel for me the way I feel for you. If you could be the one for me,
Fire.
then I could be the one for you.
Pause.
Yeah, you know I got you.
Girl, I know I tried. Now that I got you by my side, I'll never let you go. Lord knows, wouldn't be alright if you walked out of my life. I know I might sound crazy. Bear me out, I'll be down if you're down. Only I can do anything other than me ain't for you. Oh girl, if you could feel for me the way I feel for you.
Ooh, this remind me of that old Brent.
Then I could be the one for you. If you could feel for me the way
I hope this ain't old. I'm gonna feel so foolish.
then I could be the one for you. Like I can be the one for you.
Yeah, you know I got you.
All right, man. We about to get on up out of here. That was Brent Faiyaz. The first joint was Have To. This one was If. Spring in New York. Yeah, man. Let us know y'all thoughts on the song. Let us know y'all thoughts on the video. Hope Brent is cooking up. Hopefully some more music is coming. You know what I mean? Definitely looking forward to it. We're going to get on up out of here, man. I want y'all to make sure y'all take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. We're going to catch y'all on the next one, man. Love y'all. Peace. If I have to.